Hi, I'm Pamela's Products and welcome to my kitchen. I started Pamela's Products in 1988 to put really great tasting gluten-free products on the market. See, my grandfather and my father, who were in the natural food business, had been making gluten-free products since 1940. The problem is that they tasted horrible, and I wanted to change all that. So in 1988, I left the family business and started Pamela's Products. Today we have a full line of cookies, baking mixes, pancake mixes, bars, and crackers. I'm always asked, how do you figure out what to come out with? What's your next product going to be? Well, some of it is I think about what would I want if I was gluten intolerant, which I'm not. And then other ideas are that I get them from you, the consumers. You write me in about what it is that you're missing in your life. So the theme that lately has been occurring was about pasta. Well, this is perfect. I'm an Italian girl. I love pasta. I used to watch my grandmother make pasta as a small kid, although she used to make hers with wheat. So I'm here to introduce to you our new Pamela's Organic Gluten-Free Pasta line. We've got elbows, penne, rotini, and spaghetti. Delicious, organic, gluten-free pasta with a wonderful taste and chew. And it also has twice as much protein as in regular pasta. With my rotini today, I'm going to be making you a fabulous rotini pasta salad dish. And some lucky viewer is going to win all 4 of these pastas today. So make sure that you're writing in with a question, a comment, or just a simple hi, and we'll get back to you with the winner. All right, let's get started with my new rotini pasta salad. This is so simple, easy, and delicious that you can do this. First, I want to talk to you about cooking your pasta. So we've got our rotini. What we're going to need is a pan of boiling water. You want to make sure that you've got a pan that's large enough to hold all the water that you need so that the pasta can move freely in that water. Second, you want to make sure that the water is really boiling when you put the pasta in. Those little beads on the bottom of your pan does not mean that it's boiling, so wait till you get that rolling boil. You can add a little bit of salt to your water if you want to. It's not necessary, but you don't need to add any oil. So place your pasta in the pan. It's a nice idea to stir your pasta every once in a while it's cooking. This is just to help keep it from sticking. So we're going to be cooking our pasta for about 10 to 12 minutes, and that's going to depend on what kind of texture that you want. We're going to want an al dente pasta today because I want to have a nice firm texture for the pasta salad. So 10 to 12 minutes. Always a great idea to test your pasta first, then you know it's ready to be drained and rinsed. We've got our pasta. We're all done. We're now going to go over to the sink, drain. Now I'm going to want to rinse this pasta, and I'm going to use cold water. I want to do that because there can be some starch residue left on the noodles, and I want to make sure that I wash all that off so that it doesn't stick. Shake out all your water. Now let's go make pasta salad. I'm going to take my pasta, I'm going to drop it directly into the bowl. What I like to do now is I like to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it. I do this because, again, I want to keep the pasta from sticking together. Now this is a perfect time for you to keep this pasta for later in the day or for tomorrow. You can just cover it tightly and it goes into the refrigerator and it'll be terrific for you. Later on you could add all your ingredients that you want for your pasta salad, or if you want to serve it right now, we're ready to go. We're going to add about a cup of artichoke hearts. You might want to cut these into smaller pieces if you find that they're very large artichoke hearts. It makes it easier when you're taking a bite. I have about ½ a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. So the sun-dried tomatoes are terrific. These are ready to eat. You can see that they're a soft sun-dried tomato. Sun-dried tomatoes come in many different ways. They come ready to eat. They also come packed in oil, but you would just remove them. You can leave the oil on or not and then chop them up. or sometimes you find them in the produce section where they'll be dry. They need to be rehydrated. So just boil them in some hot water for about a half an hour, dry them off and cut them up, and then they're ready to go into your salad. To this, I'm going to add some feta cheese, about a half a cup. I love feta cheese, but any other cheese also works well. And then to add some color, we're going to use fresh basil leaves. Just tear some fresh basil leaves in. Now, pasta salads are great because you really could use anything that's in your refrigerator. You can also add protein. Chicken breast, shrimp works really well. Cooked vegetables that you have left over. Tomatoes from your garden are terrific. Cucumbers, anything that you like, olives, all of that works really, really well in a pasta salad. Now, to complete this pasta salad, what we're going to use is a vinaigrette. This is a red wine vinaigrette. A really simple way to make vinaigrettes is to put them right into a jar, shake it up, and you're ready to dress your salad. A bottled vinaigrette will also work well for you. All you need to do is just check out your ingredient panel and make sure there's no gluten in it. About a half a cup of dressing is what you would be using for this salad. It also depends on what your preference is. So toss it up. And then taste it and make sure that it has enough dressing on it for you. This is so fast and easy. It's a wonderful dish to take to a barbecue. It's wonderful in the summertime when it's hot days. This is our Pamela's rotini pasta salad with sun-dried tomatoes, goat cheese, basil, and artichoke hearts. So fast, easy, and delicious. And you can do this. So guess what? Now we've got some questions. What is our question for the day?
Carol would like to know, what is your new pasta made of?
So our new pasta is made of white rice flour. We've got a sprouted brown rice flour in this and also a pea protein. That gives you that double amount of protein in this pasta. So now your pasta is even better for you. All right, now do we have a winner of our pastas? And here it comes, drum roll please. Whoa, Karen Goodwin. Karen Goodwin Delancey. Perfect, you've now won the Pamela's Organic Gluten-Free Pastas. Elbows, penne, rotini, and spaghetti. So try them out, Karen. Let me know what you think. Send me some photos of what you cook with them. These pastas are great with your own hot sauces, and then you can see that they work terrific in pasta salads as well. Check out our website at pamelasproducts.com for all kinds of recipes for our pastas and our other products. So remember, Pamela's Pastas, brand new. Look for them on your market. Fast, easy, delicious, and you can do this.